Construction today is powered by some seriously impressive technology. In this video, we're looking at 20 amazing construction tools that are faster, smarter, and more powerful than you'd expect. You won't believe what these tools can do. The hole cutting drill delivers precise, centered, and perpendicular cuts in pipes from 32 mm to 127 mm. Powered by an 1,100-watt motor with an integrated chain clamp and guidance system, it ensures clean, accurate hole cutting with TCT cutters or hole saws. The Rhino ground rod installation tool delivers fast, safe ground rod installation in seconds. Built in the USA, it keeps installers on the ground while providing durable, professional performance with Pro Series post drivers. The Handheld turbo blower delivers powerful cordless cleaning in a compact, lightweight design. With focused airflow and long-lasting battery power, it quickly clears dust, debris, and light snow from tight spaces and everyday surfaces indoors or out. Air cleaners improve air quality by capturing harmful dust and particles in construction, renovation, and public spaces. With HEPA H13 or H14 filtration, they help create safer, cleaner work environments. The Montolit Battile delivers smooth, accurate tile installation by boosting adhesion and eliminating air pockets through controlled vibration and powerful suction. Designed for professionals and DIYers, it aligns tiles faster, reduces lippage, and saves time on every job. Lightweight, easy to handle, and highly reliable, Battile helps you achieve flawless finishes on floors and walls every single time starting today. The EDMATYER is a lightweight, compact rebar tying tool designed for fast and effortless operation. With adjustable clamping force, wide tying capacity, and high-yield wire spools, it delivers efficient, reliable rebar ties with minimal effort. Corner Plastering Solutions offer a complete, efficient system for professional corner finishing. From controlled plaster application and even filler distribution to easy joint tape placement and smooth final finishing, these tools deliver clean, precise 90 degrees inside corners every time. The Multi-Pro Channel Post Driver offers powerful, versatile performance for driving and removing posts. From portable gas-powered drivers to heavy-duty pneumatic and hydraulic systems, it delivers reliable solutions for demanding jobs. The Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful, efficient cleaning in a lightweight, easy-to-move design. With adjustable spray options and included accessories, it makes outdoor cleaning fast and effortless. The FLIESEN 4D Green Line Laser provides precise 360-degree horizontal and vertical lines in a compact, durable design. Ideal for finishing trades, it delivers accurate layouts indoors or outdoors with versatile mounting options. The Drywall Sander is an ultra-light, high-efficiency 225 mm tool built for smooth results and reduced fatigue. With a maintenance-free brushless motor and smart controls, it delivers consistent, professional sanding performance. The Ring Power Cutter delivers fast, deep precision cuts with up to twice the cutting depth of standard cutters. Lightweight yet powerful, it's built for tough jobs like concrete, pipes, and masonry. Designed for reliability and easy handling, this tool boosts productivity, reduces fatigue, and helps professionals achieve clean, accurate results on every demanding project. The Ezyscreed Combo Screed is a lightweight aluminum tool with a dual-edge design that cuts high spots and smooths concrete in one pass. Available in multiple lengths with a built-in level, It delivers fast, accurate screeding and a clean finish. The portable airless paint sprayer packs professional power into a compact, lightweight design. With high-pressure performance and extended reach, it delivers fast, smooth, and efficient coverage on walls, furniture, fences, and more. Ideal for DIYers and pros alike, it saves time, reduces overspray, and handles a wide range of coatings for clean, consistent results on every project. The Mortar Applicator is a patented, adjustable bricklaying box designed for fast, precise application of adhesive or mortar when building partition walls and corners. Its universal design covers a wide range of wall widths and adjusts easily with just 2 screws for efficient, consistent results. The FloorMix 2300 is a high-performance mixing station designed for precise, dust-reduced material preparation. With electronic controls, balanced handling, easy cleaning, and mobile transport, it delivers consistent mixing and efficient workflow on construction sites. The Soft Impact Core Drilling Machine enables dry drilling in extremely hard materials up to 202 millimeters. Featuring a robust IHT gearbox with impact hybrid technology, it's the ideal solution for situations where wet drilling is not possible. The Aardwolf Anchor Machine is a compact pneumatic tool for precise T-slot cutting in stone. Featuring a dual vacuum base, water cooling, and durable construction, it delivers fast, accurate anchor installation. The Aardwolf TPBL 600 Paving Block. Lifter handles up to 4 blocks at once for fast, accurate placement. With adjustable grip and automatic release, it improves efficiency while reducing labor and fatigue. This Precast Mold Set creates a durable, customizable concrete bench with a realistic brick arch design and full 360-degree texture. Reusable polyurethane molds allow flexible bench lengths, color options, and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for parks, homes, and commercial spaces. Those were 20 incredible construction tools transforming the way things are built. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech.